Hi friends, in this video we will briefly discuss about NQR spectroscopy, that is nuclear quadrupole resonance spectroscopy. NQR as a resonance phenomena similar to NMR, that is nuclear magnetic resonance. In this spectra of NQR are not easily to interpret, so it is observed in the solid state only. That is NQR observed in radio frequency. So இதனுடைய selection rule important point இது delta mi equal to plus or minus 1, delta mi equal to plus or minus 1. So I greater than 1, I greater than 1, that is I is equal to nuclear spin. All nuclei with spin quantum number I greater than 1 possess an electrical quadrupole moment, that is EQ, in addition to magnetic moment. EQ, that is electrical quadrupole moment, measures the deviation of distribution of positive charge in the nucleus from spherical symmetry and non-spherical symmetry. So EQ measures spherical symmetry and non-spherical symmetry. The nuclei having integral and off integral nucleus spin, that is I value must be equal to 1, 2, 3, that is integral value, or otherwise 3 by 2, 5 by 2, 7 by 2, etc. So possess nuclear quadrupole moment. அப்போ I value பார்த்தீங்கன்னா whole நம்பராகவும் இருக்கலாம் அல்லது 5 by 2, 3 by 2 ஃப்ராக்ஷனாகவும் அது இருக்கலாம். The nuclear quadrupole resonance, that is NQR, energy level for both integral or off integral spin are given the formula, that is EM equal to EQ into Q by 4I into 2I minus 1 into 3m1 square minus I into I plus 1, where Q is the, that is small q, is the electrical field gradient. I, that is capital I, is the spin quantum number or nuclear spin. EQ, that is small e and capital Q, is the electrical quadrupole moment. So இதில் EQ into Q, the top இல்லையா, EQ into Q is the nuclear quadrupole coupling constant. So டோட்டலாக பார்க்கும்போது nuclear quadrupole coupling constant. In nuclear quadrupole resonance, that is NQR, is used to study the third group halides, that is MX3, for example aluminum chloride, ferric chloride, like that. And the possibility of an electron in an orbital S greater than P greater than D, that is D orbitals greater than F orbitals, whereas in the contribution to Q from the various electron, that is Qp greater than Qd greater than Qf. So பொதுவாக இது it involve p orbital and d orbitals but not involved in the s orbitals. Then next topic, then that is some examples of splitting in NQR spectra. First example, nitrogen 714. So இதனுடைய nuclear spin, that is I value equal to 1. So 1 ஆச்சுன்னா so I equal to 0 plus or minus 1 இருக்கும். ஸோ அப்போ இதனுடைய MI equal to -1 0 plus 1 இருக்கும். அப்போ இங்கே only one NQR frequency is possible, that is 0 to plus or minus 1 இருக்கும். அப்போ இங்கே only one NQR frequency possible. Second example, boron atomic number 5 mass number 11. இதனுடைய nuclear spin value 3/2. Therefore Mi equal to plus or minus 3/2 and plus or minus 1/2. So இங்கேயுமே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா only one NQR frequency is possible. அது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா plus or minus 1/2 to plus or minus 3/2 இருக்கும். Then third example, chlorine atomic number 17 mass number 36. So இதனுடைய nuclear spin value 2. Therefore Mi value 0 plus or minus 1 plus or minus 2 இருக்கும். Therefore இங்கே 2 NQR frequency possible, that is 0 to plus or minus 1 ஒரு frequencyயும் plus or minus 1 to plus or minus 2 அடுத்த frequency நமக்கு கிடைக்கும். ஸோ டோட்டலாக Cl1736 பொறுத்தவரையும் 2 NQR frequency possible. Fourth example, aluminum 13 mass number 27. இதனுடைய nuclear spin value, that is I is equal to 5/2. Therefore Mi value equal to plus or minus 5/2, plus or minus 3/2, plus or minus 1/2. Therefore aluminum also 2 NQR frequency possible. So that is a plus or minus 5/2 to plus or minus 3/2 one frequency, and plus or minus 3/2 to plus or minus 1/2 ஒரு frequency கிடைக்கும். டோட்டலாக 2 NQR frequency possible. Then fifth example, cesium atomic number 53 mass number 133. இதனுடைய nuclear spin value, that is I equal to 7/2. Therefore Mi equal to plus or minus 7/2, plus or minus 5/2, plus or minus 3/2 and plus or minus 1/2. அப்போ இங்கே that is cesium பொறுத்தவரையும் 3 NQR frequency possible, that is first frequency பொறுத்தவரையும் plus or minus 7/2 to plus or minus 5/2. Second frequency plus or minus 5/2 to plus or minus 3/2. And third frequency plus or minus 3/2 to plus or minus 1/2. For total 3 frequency possible. அதுவே solid AlCl3 இருந்துச்சுன்னா அங்கேயும் 3 frequency possible. Solid AlCl3க்கு 3 frequency possible. So boron and nitrogenக்கு 1 NQR frequency, chlorine aluminumத்துக்கு 2 NQR frequency, cesium and solid AlCl3க்கு 3 NQR frequency possible. So these are the some informations about NQR spectroscopy. Thank you friends.